Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another story time with me. Now, in case you can't hear it behind me, the wind is starting to blow. So, I thought I might want to do another Blue's Clues Discovery Series book, which is this Blue's Windy Day. That's right, another Discovery Series book that has our friend, yep, Steve Burns in it. So, do you want to read the story with me? Great! Here we go. Blue's Windy Day. Wow! It sure is windy. Blue and I are excited because we've been waiting for a day like this to try out our new sailboat. Look, there's a sailboat. Oh, and there's our friend Steve Burns and our friend Blue. Hey, would you like to sail our boat with us? You would? Great. It's sailing. Cool. Now it's sailing even faster. Look, see the sailboat moving from the wind? Oh, I get it. The harder the wind blows, the faster our boat goes. Cool. Let's see. What else can we do on a windy day? Yeah, we watch the wind push the clouds across the sky. I love doing that. What about you, Blue? What do you want to do? Oh, great! We'll play Blue's Clues to figure it out. I love Blue's Clues. Do you? Oh, and remember, Blue's Poppers will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. Uh-oh. It looks like Shovel is having a little trouble building a sandcastle with all of his wind. The wind keeps blowing the sand away. Hey, Shovel, if I put some water on the sand, maybe it won't blow away. Good thinking, Pail. Let's see. Oh, the wind is blowing really strongly now. Look at my flag waving in the wind. Look at the wind blowing the dandelion seeds around. Yeah, see the dandelion seeds blowing in the wind? And the flag waving in the wind? Cool. I thought I saw Blue coming here. What? You see a clue? Where? There it is! It's on the string. String is our first clue. What do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with string? Do you know? We better find the other two clues to help us figure this out. Hey, someone's knocking on the door. Well, let's go see who it is. Look! Magenta is here for a play date. We love Magenta. Do you? Come on in. Oh, hurry, Magenta. The wind is blowing everything around. Will you help us figure out what's not where it belongs? You will? Thanks. Uh-oh. Saitaba's phone is supposed to blow in the wind. And the blocks, too. And the lamppost in the wind. Uh-oh. Whew. Thanks for all your help. We fixed the phone, and we put the blocks back together. Anything else? Oh, the lampshade. All I see is light bulb of a lamp. Which way did it go? Oh, toward the kitchen. Let's go. We found a lampshade. Good work. Was that a clue? Oh, the spoons are a clue. So our first clue was string. And now our second clue is spoons. Now, what could Blue want to do on a windy day with string and spoons? I don't know about you, but I can't wait to find our last clue. Look! Blue and magenta are coloring a picture together. Can you tell what it is? What do you think? What picture did blue and magenta color? A kite! It's right! Hey, that rhymes! You see another clue? It's the wind! And wait a minute. How did blue get a popper and on the wind? And how did blue make a popper blow in the wind? Shish! She is one clever and magical puppy. The wind is our third and last clue. You know what that means? It's time to go to our thinking chair. Let's go. So, what do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with string, spoons, and the wind? Wait a minute. These clues look very familiar to the episode Art Appreciation, except the third clue is wind, and not a pie plate. Spoons blowing in the wind make noise, don't they? Do you want to make a wind chime, Blue? You do? Cool. We just figured out Blue's clues. Yeah, a wind chime. And like what Blue wants to make for... That's what Blue wants to do on a windy day. Make a wind chime. Hey, remember the time a wind chime is what Blue wants to make for your art show for the episode Art Appreciation? Yeah. That kind of reminds me of that episode too. Look at that! A wind chime! Our wind chime is done and ready to hang. Now we'll have music whenever the wind blows. Thanks so much for your help. The end. Wow! That was another great Discovery series. That was our friend Steve Bursden. Thanks so much for having a story time with me on this windy day. I'll see you soon.